Hello and welcome to the live stream. I hope you guys will be having a good time. Today we will be looking to trade gold again, and let's see if we can get any entries today. Yesterday was a bad day for us. We executed around 4 or 5 trades, and two were winning trades, and I think three of the yesterday trades were losing trades. So let's see how it goes today. In London session, things look a little bullish, but we will wait for any breakout and then we can enter into a trade. We will highlight our zones and let's see if we get any entries in these zones. And let me know how your day is going. How are you feeling today? Meanwhile, I will share link of the stream in my groups so my followers can join me. For now, we will use IC markets and let's see how are the spreads here. So if we get any bullish structure here on silver, then we can buy it, and I will highlight this area here, this New York midnight zone. So New York midnight zone. So if it gets a push from here, then it will sweep yesterday's highs. Okay, these were the highs that were made yesterday, and this one. Okay, so it if gives us a bullish structure here, then we can target these areas. Okay, and I think we will get something here on 1 minute. So I'm waiting for something bullish on the 1 minute time frame on silver. Let's see if we can get that, and then we will buy here. Anything bullish on 1 minute, any bullish SMT divergence, and then we will buy and hold it towards those levels. Okay, and if silver goes up, gold also goes up, so we will also buy gold. If you are new to the stream, make sure to like and subscribe. It will help promote the stream. Let me know what are you trading today and where are you trading from. Here you can see we will compare gold and silver. Okay, we will look for any kind of SMT divergence here between gold and silver. So far there is divergence on 30 minutes time frame, but we will look for one on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this one is the chart of gold and this one is silver. You can see we already have this divergence, but that was before New York midnight zone. You can see this low on silver, it's still not swept. Okay, and if you look here, this the same low was made here on gold and it is swept. So before New York midnight we have got this divergence, but if we get one here that will be great. Let me know in the chat what are you buying today. Are you selling gold today or are you buying it or you are just watching it? And which prop firm or which broker are you using to trade your capital on? Let me know in the chat. So I want to close above this level. Let me show you. On gold, a close above this level will be good. So I think this candle will just close above. Still 7 minutes left. It will get reaction from this point and it will go up. I will just write it here for the new viewers. Expecting pump from here. Okay. You can see it's still looking bullish, already going up, but we'll just wait for this 15-minute close and then we can buy. Let me show you the 30-minute picture. You can see this is the low made on silver and this is the same low made on gold, and you can see this low is not swept here on silver, but if you look at gold, this low is swept here. So it makes things a little bullish and you can expect a pump from here. Of course there are some other things to look at, but this SMT alone is enough for a good pump. You can see price is already going up from this point. So still 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, and then uh, we will see if we get any trade. Can't buy here so far because 1 minute isn't that bullish here. So let's just wait for this 15-minute candle and then we can buy. Yeah, there is SMT divergence between gold and silver on 15 minutes. Yes, you're right. So I think it will close above, and then if we get a retest, we can buy here. As of now, we will just wait for this candle. You can see it's still 1028. So let's see where it closes. This zone is crucial. Like you can see this gray zone. This is the New York midnight zone. So a close above this level is important. When the price is bullish, this zone this acts as support. When the price is bearish, this zone acts as resistance. If you are watching the stream, make sure to like it so other viewers can join us. If you like the stream, then others will be able to join us. It helps promote the stream on YouTube. So make sure to like if you are watching. We are new to the streaming thing, so you guys should support. So here you can see there is SMT divergence on 1 minute. Okay, so the price will probably retest this area, and then if we get anything bullish here, any bullish divergence, then we can buy. So hopefully we are getting this close above 15 minute, this New York zone, this New York midnight zone. Okay, so the close has happened and it has broken out. Okay, now all we need is one retest of this area. I hope it don't go up from here and gives us this retest, and then it will be an easy trade. So get ready. I will give you this trade in case we get this SMT divergence here. Be ready for this. Make sure to use smaller lot sizes. Okay, don't go for bigger lots because market is aggressive these days, and a single move is too aggressive and it can stop you out. So make sure to use smaller lot sizes and a bit wider stop loss. Okay. Yes. So hopefully we get a retest, and then so now both have gone up, so we can just buy some gold here. Okay, so let's see. We entered into this, so your stop loss is okay. So I closed it by mistake. Your stop loss will be somewhere below this. Okay, below the recent swing low. Then later on we can move it. Okay, and TP is going to be somewhere around here. Also for silver, let me show you silver here. What you can do with silver, you can also buy silver here. I think silver is also bullish. So for silver, your stop loss has to be somewhere around here. Okay, and I think you can target these areas. Okay, so this will be your stop loss and that will be your target. As I told you, we bought gold here, stop loss will be somewhere around here, and this you can target those areas. And this is silver, you can see we just bought here, and let's see if you have bought here. Okay, you can target these highs, and stop loss has to be somewhere below here. Okay, so you can see it's a good 2 hour trade, and I think it has to go up and sweep this level. Yesterday it didn't sweep these levels. I think it can go up towards these levels. Let me just see where were those levels yesterday. Okay, this was the Asian session high, and then we got this London kill zone. Okay, so you can target that point instead for silver. Like you can take partial profits and then you can wait for those areas. Okay, but make sure to take partial profits once price goes up towards these areas. Okay, like somewhere around here you can take your first target. And then you can hold the rest of it. So let's see. So far the stop loss is a bit wider for gold, but we will move it once we get a move, and then we can move the stop loss up towards this area. Okay, once we take partial TP, then we can move the stop loss to. This is our third stream today. So let's see how it goes today. The first stream was so profitable. The second was almost in break even or in loss, and let's see what happens today, how it goes today. In the first stream we just took one trade, and I think today also we will take just one trade if it hits profit, because there is no point in trading it if this trade reach towards our target, because it's Friday and then market will be closed. So I think one trade will be enough for today. But so here we have bought some silver and some gold. Okay, you can see this is our gold trade. Also you can take some of the profits midway, like if you draw fib line from this point to this point, somewhere here this will be your midline. So this will be your first TP area. Okay, and already it's a good profit from 78 towards 96. This is a good enough target, so you have to take partial profits here. Okay, this will be your first TP for gold, and you can see the first TP for silver here. Make sure to like the stream if you are new to the stream. So it's testing the lows, but it will go up, in my opinion, because you can see silver gold is still at the highs, so it can come down towards this level, but I think it will go up eventually towards the highs. And come down again to this area. And let's see if it gets a reaction from here. Now it should get a reaction from here. Let's see if we get it from this area. So we are trading silver and gold today. Okay, we entered into our two trades, silver and gold. We are expecting it to go up towards those highs. Target for silver is much higher. You can check that out here. You can see this was our trade on silver, and you can see this is 2.5 RR. Okay, it can go up even more, I think, but this will be our target for today because it's Friday. And here we will take some partial profits. Okay, at this point you can take it somewhere around here at the midpoint. Okay, so de-risk yourself here and then you can wait for your targets. If you if you were there in my yesterday stream, well, we were expecting a sell. I was expecting it from the highs when it sweeps this level, and you can see it came down from this level and it swept the London lows. I was expecting the price to go up, sweep this level and then come down, but the price was weak and it came down from here. So then I closed the stream because it didn't give us the opportunity. I was expecting this point. This was the high of Asian kill zone. Okay, so in the New York I was expecting the price to go above the Asian kill zone and then give us a reaction and give us the sweep of this London kill zone low. This was London lows, but what happened? The price came down before sweeping the Asian highs. So the price just swept the London highs. These were our London highs. These were the London lows. So the price after 8 a.m. went up. Okay, and then what happened? It swept the high of the London kill zone and then it came down. So I was wrong about my bias. I was expecting the high of the Asian kill zone too. I was expecting the price to go above the highs of the Asian kill zone, which were around here. So that's why we took some losses. uh, I also bought here and I was expecting the high here. So that was the main reason we took some losses yesterday. I wasn't expecting a sell from this zone. Just took the internal liquidity but didn't go above to these highs. This was the Asian low, this was the Asian high, this was the London session high, and this was the London session low. Then you can see an aggressive price action in the New York zone. Price went up, okay, and then there was an SMT divergence here. Yes, there was an SMT divergence here, but I was still expecting the price to go up and sweep this level. And it turned out that was a mistake. Let me know in the chat if you took that trade, and did you sell trade yesterday or did you buy it? Because the price action of yesterday was sideways. Like you can see, first it came down and then kept consolidating, and then it went up aggressively. This was an aggressive move and it happened so fast. For next time, when price goes above the London session, you don't buy into this area expecting it to go above the Asian kill zone, because it can come down. If the price is weak, it can come down from London highs, and it shouldn't necessarily sweep the Asian kill zone high. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. I gave you my analysis on Bitcoin yesterday, but I will do it again. You can see it's still going down, and I told you it's still in a no trading zone and we have to wait for the weekly close. So let's discuss what happened. I discussed it in my yesterday stream, but I don't know if you guys were there in yesterday's stream. So here you can see this was the weekly candle on Bitcoin. Okay, so what happened was that the price kept under this weekly candle. You can see there were so many candles under this candle. The price didn't go above or below 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So when such thing happens, so many candles inside this, so the price either goes up or goes down to this level. So you have to find your bias. Then my bias was bullish. I shared it in my Discord, and that the price will go up and sweep the weekly high. Okay, it cannot just go up to this area and then come down. If it's going up, it has to sweep the weekly high. That's why I gave you guys these levels. So now you should be out of your trades because the price has swept these areas. Now what will be the scenario if Bitcoin goes up and closes above this point, this line? Okay, then things will become more bullish. Okay, and you will see Bitcoin price to go up even more today. It can go up towards these highs, okay, towards 100k or 90k region. But if it closes below this point, below the body of that candle, okay, somewhere at around 76.9k, I think, then the price will go down and it will sweep these lows. Okay, then it will see the lows of 50k. Also ICT predicted that the price will sweep 50k. So let's see if he's right, but he did his prediction. He made his prediction at around this area. Then the price went up and swept this level. So technically he was wrong because he predicted the 50k level at this region. Okay, and the same price action, you can see the same weekly candle was made here. Then the price remained under this candle. You can see so many candles under this. Then the price went up. You can see it swept that candle and then it closed below the body of that candle. Okay, it closed below the body of that candle. So This was a bearish sign and the price came down and swept this level. So it was a kind of CRT, okay? And this can also be a kind of CRT if it comes down and closes below the body of this. If it closes somewhere around here, I think it will still be bullish and the price can still go up. But it will be an easy trade for me if it comes down and closes below. Then you can sell towards these areas, towards 55k or 50k. I think this low will be enough. This is still a big target. If you sell here and you close your trade here, this is still enough. So this is my opinion about Bitcoin. So we will just wait for the weekly close. Let's see what's happening with gold here. I hope the price action of Bitcoin is clear now. I also explained silver price action yesterday. What's going to happen for silver in long term? I predicted 106 for silver. Okay, irrespective of what's going to happen about state of Hormuz or the peace talks, it will go up towards that 106 level in few days or weeks. If you are a spot trader or if you are trading your own capital on Exness, you can buy some silver and hold it towards 106 level. Okay, and your stop loss has to be the recent swing low on daily time frame. I will just show you in daily time frame. So in our Discord, I gave this call at around 72 area, but my average entry is somewhere around here at 70, and I expect it to go up, okay, and touch the top of this fair value gap towards 106.7. So you can buy here, and your stop loss will be here, okay. So you should buy in spot or with smaller lot because the stop loss is now wide. If you have bought at this area, then the stop loss is okay, not that wide. So in few days or weeks, it will go up towards 106. Uh, this is your silver and gold trade right now. Both are going up pretty strong. So let's see. Your stop loss will be somewhere here. You can target the highs on silver. So this is my buys for today. I hope it's helpful. Gold is already into profit, but you should take some profits on the way up, okay? Let me know in the chat if you took this trade with me today. I think we will just be trading these two trades because it's Friday and we are not going to execute any more trades for today. I think these two are enough if it hits our target. And I think it will go up towards the target. Like, seems pretty obvious now. If you are watching the stream, make sure to like. Yesterday we did around 8 hours live stream, but it didn't go well for us because the last two trades were not that good. I was expecting something good yesterday, but as I said, it didn't sweep the Asian kill zone high and it came down from London highs towards the London lows. So That's why we didn't execute it well. According to the kill zone theory, you can see for today, this is the Asian kill zone high. This is a high of the Asian kill zone. I will write it. Asian kill zone high, okay? This one. And you can see this was the low of the Asian kill zone. And then it got swept in the London session. You can see after 12 a.m. this low was swept. So I think the sell side is done and we can expect the buy side now. Asian kill zone low. So this is the London lows for now. This is the Asian kill zone high. Okay. This is the Asian kill zone low. So for me, the New York session starts after 8 a.m. Like after 8 a.m., the price action becomes so aggressive. So for me, London session is till 8 a.m. New York time. Okay, after 8 a.m., the New York session starts and price becomes different. Price action becomes different and it moves to opposite directions then. Opposite direction or take some more liquidity aggressively, like it happened yesterday from this point. You can see it went up so aggressively in the New York session. You can see this was your 8 a.m. here and then it went up, and after taking the London highs in the afternoon session, you can see this was after the lunch of New York. It came down and took the sell side liquidity of the London lows. Right now it's 2 a.m. New York time. You can expect these moves after 6 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. usually. This is your 5:30. The thing called kill zone starts around here. Okay, Asian kill zone is from 8 p.m. towards 12 a.m. Okay, then after 12 a.m. the London kill zone starts. Let me know in the chat what are you trading today. Be active in the chat. So right now 7 people are watching us, so make sure the likes are at least 7. The thing with likes is that it promotes the live stream so new viewers can join us, as we are new to the live streaming thing. You guys can be of help if you like the stream. Also, let me know if you are here in yesterday's stream, and let me know where are you watching from. So the price action still looks strong, and it will go up towards those highs, I think. Be active in the chat, guys. Let me know what are you trading today. Are you buying gold or are you selling gold? Share your analysis also. It can be of help if I'm missing something out. Let me know. I am a profitable trader, but I'm not a complete trader, so you can also be of help. Be active in the chat and let me know what your analysis is for today. And again, I will tell you, make sure to use smaller lot sizes these days because market is volatile due to that Iran, Israel, and US thing going on, due to those peace talks. Like if right now Iran agrees to sit in the peace talk, gold will go up towards 4800 or 4900, and if they issue an aggressive statement, gold will come down. Uh, so that's why I'm saying price action is aggressive. Like the same moves happen that are going to happen, but it happens so aggressively. Like if you are expecting this point, then it will go up towards this point within minutes or within seconds. So that's what I mean by aggressive price action. So we took two trades today, gold and silver, okay, and we are both buying both, okay. You can see this is our silver trade. You can see the target, and this is our trade on gold. So let's see. Also, if you see here, this is the Asian high, this is the Asian low, and in London the low got swept, sell side liquidity is taken. So I'm expecting the highs. Yesterday, let me show you yesterday's price action. This was the Asian kill zone high, and this was the low of the Asian kill zone. And then in London session, okay, this was the low of the Asian session, and then in London session the low got swept, okay, and then the price went up. This was the high of the London session, and then in New York session, what happened was the high of the London session was swept, okay, and then price came down. Yesterday I was expecting the high of the Asian kill zone, but it didn't go up. That's why I lost the trade and I didn't get the entry because I was expecting the sweep of this area. If you check my yesterday stream, I was expecting the sweep of this area, a bearish sweep, and then I would have sold gold or I would have shorted gold. But we didn't get that sweep, so that's why I closed the live stream yesterday. But hopefully today it will give us this move because already there is SMT divergence and there are sweeps of the Asian lows. So I think liquidity has been taken towards the sell side and it should go towards the buy side now. Let me know what you think. This is my idea. That's why I'm buying gold here and silver. Let me know if your idea is any different to me and if you think anything else. You can see this low on silver is not being swept. Okay, so your stop loss has to be below this low. Okay, because this low is not swept, and in gold you can see this low is swept. So this is your SMT divergence. So if you are buying here, your stop loss has to be below here. Okay, and if you are buying with pro firms, make sure to keep the stop loss somewhat below this low, because there will be some spreads. So this is your invalidation level for now. If price sweeps this level, then this SMT theory, this does not apply then here. Okay, be sure this is the divergence. This low is swept, and this same low here is not swept. Okay, so if you combine these two, it becomes a greater than sign, a sign like this becomes a sign like this if you combine both lines. So any divergence, any greater than sign or lesser than sign at the bottom, this is bullish. Okay, if there is such thing at the top, it's bearish. Let me show you bearish divergence that happened yesterday, and then we got that bearish move also. You can see this is the high made on gold. Okay, and it got swept. Okay, and then the same low was here on silver, the same high was here on silver, but it didn't get sweep. So you get this lesser than sign yesterday at the top. So any lesser than or greater than sign at the top, this is called bearish SMT divergence, and you will get a bearish move towards the downside. So yesterday we got this lesser than sign. If you combine these two, you get this lesser than sign. You can see here. Okay, this was like this. So if you combine these two, you get this lesser than sign, and if you get this at the top, it's bearish, and if you get this at the bottom, it's bullish. Right now we have got this at the bottom, so it will be bullish. And another thing is that always prefer the SMT divergence after 12 a.m. Okay, after New York midnight. So the divergence is before New York midnight, it's not that important. I hope this divergence theory is clear now. You can see here, I will show you another divergence here. You can see this is again the low. It was made on gold. Okay, you can see, and you can see I drew the line here, and it is swept. Okay, and the same low is made here, and you can see this low is not swept. So there is another divergence here also. So when such divergence form, it means that the price went down just to take some liquidity. Okay, like in one pair the price don't go down, and in other one it goes down. So it means the price is only going down to hunt some stop losses or take some liquidity, and then it will go up. So in short, it means the price is going down just to go up. Like whenever you run, you take a back step. Okay, so it's just like that. This is like a back step, so it's preparing itself for running to the to the front. Okay, you can see it takes a back step to go up, or a down step to go up. So if you are new to the stream, we are buying gold and silver today. You can see our levels, and we're expecting the price to go above the Asian session high. We will be executing a single trade today, these two trades, because it's Friday and then we cannot get stuck into a trade. So we'll be just executing these two trades and wait for these two. Make sure not to trade later at the day today, because then the market gets closed and it's not a good idea to hold it for the weekend, because market will be completely different when another week opens, because too much things happen during the weekend. Hello guys, so I might turn off the stream because it's Friday today, but these are your levels. As you can see, gold will go up and sweep the Asian high, but you have to take some profits midway, okay? And we executed a trade earlier on silver that got stopped out, so this is another entry. It will again go up and sweep. This is Asian kill zone high, so I'm expecting it to go up to that level, okay? And we could have added some more here, but I wasn't active. Uh, this uh, this was an opportunity to add to our trade because you can see I told you earlier I am expecting a pump from here, so we could have bought a little more down here, but still it's fine. And both of the trades will, I think, go up now. So the one SMT divergence here, it failed. You can see this low wasn't swept, then it went up and closed above it, so that failed. So now you can see we got another one, and the probability of SMT divergence getting failed is a bit low. So you can see this was the high made and then it swept this low, so now it has broken above this level, so hopefully it will go up. Or what you can do is you can wait for the retest of this swing high that was broken now, okay, like this. Let me draw it. So if this level gets tested, then you can add or you can buy, okay, and it will go up to that point. uh, this is Asian session high, so I think it has to go up to that level. So if you haven't bought here, this is what you can do, okay. You can wait for the recent swing high that was broken here, and you can add more to your trade or you can buy down here. Hello Timio, welcome. I wasn't active, it's Friday here, so we have to go pray today. Make sure not to enter into any other trade later in the day. These trades are enough if it hits your target. This will be enough for today. Also, the RR is pretty good. This is 2 RR, and if you get an entry here, this will be a 2.5 RR, and if you have bought it around this place, this will still be 2 RR. So, suit yourself. And you can see this was the New York midnight zone, this gray area. Again, it got reaction from this area twice. First reaction, second reaction. So this area often gives reaction, okay, either to the upside or to the downside, but it's the decisive area always. Yeah, it's good to long, I guess, because you can see there are already divergences, and gold has broken above this level too. So hopefully it will go up to Asian kill zone high, but make sure to take some profits on the way up. Like you never know when the market will reverse. So make sure to take profits on the way up, and this will be, I think, the final TP, the sweep of this level. Okay, so somewhere around here. Yeah, for silver, this is still a good entry point, but you can wait for this last swing high to get tested, and then you can buy. Uh, what will happen is that the RR will be a bit better. Than if you get this retest, it will be around 2.68 RR. So be sure to keep the stop loss a little below this recent swing low. You didn't join this stream yesterday. I think you were not active yesterday. Didn't see you in chat yesterday. RTEMIOU. Think you were not there, or you were there but just a silent participant. Yesterday was not a good trading day, so we did a long stream, like it was around 8 hour stream. Uh, Early in the day, we pulled off two good trades, but then later we were expecting the sweep of the Asian kills on high yesterday, and then we were expecting sells. So that didn't happen, and the market just reversed after sweeping the London session high. So that's why things went a little against us. So right now we are into these two trades. So let's see. I will just remove it now because there is no point in leaving it here. I will just plug in the charger. My iPad is battery is low. If I see any weakness here, I still might close this trade and then I look to buy again if we get any structure here. So I think that will be a good idea to close now and then look for buying again. So I will share the structure, then I will just close this trade now. Close in both. Okay. The spreads are pretty high on silver here. So I will look for buys here again. I'm expecting another retest. Because things are seems a little bearish now at the top. We will just wait and see if we get another retest of these lows, and probably we might get another sweep on silver too, or we might just sweep this level on gold. So we will just wait for now. The thing with trading is when you expect another retest, it just goes straight up, and when you don't expect a retest, it gives that retest. So things like this happen, but you can see some bearish SMT divergences here. If we get a retest and get something bullish here again, then we will buy again. If you look on MT5, there is a fair value gap here, which is still not filled on gold, so it might give another retest of the lows. I will draw that 10-minute FVG here. The low of that FVG for it is at 65, somewhere around here. There is still a fair value gap which is not filled, so that's why I closed this trade. That level is close to 66 somewhere. This is the level. Okay, so if I get the break below this, we can sell it towards this area. Then let's see if we get this break. So the reason I'm expecting another sweep is that uh, market came down into the 10-minute FVG. The 10-minute FVG was from this area towards this area. Okay, so market came down into it, then it went up, and again it came down. So if it closes above here on 10-minute, it gives a close above here, then that fair value gap will no more be valid. Okay, but as long as it's below this area, it can still retest that area if we get any bearish divergence here. A close below this, and then it can go down. So let's see if we get that. uh, the good scenario will be sweep of the retest of that FVG and then anything bullish here, so it can make our RR also better. But let's see, we just close the trade in profit. It was around $80 profit, but due to spreads, the silver was in a little loss. Somewhat like this, or you might even get something like this off the bottom, and then So it will be something like this then, like if this move happens, then the London lows and the Asian lows will get swept, and then in the New York zone we can expect a buy. This is so far the high of the London zone, so let's see if price sweeps it. If it comes down and closes below here, then I will sell towards this area. My stop loss will be at this area then. Make sure to like the stream if you are new to the stream. From now on, I will be doing regular live streams, so hopefully we can make some profits. Right now, don't enter into this trade, okay? I'm not saying to enter and sell it. We are still looking for confirmations, okay? I will just write it here. If you have any confusions, then ask in the chat, okay? I'm looking for sell confirmation, okay? Make sure to like the stream so you can make every next stream better than the previous one. Yesterday we got like 13 likes and around 200 views, over 200 views. So today it should be more than yesterday. Yeah, but it might retest this area and then we will see. We will look for any confirmation for buy here. At this area, as long as it's below this area on 10 minute, it can go down. If it closes above here on 10 minutes, then things might get bullish and go straight up. But as long as below that area, and if it closes below here, then we can sell. You can see silver is still down. Also, it's Friday and I don't like trading on Friday. It's a bit weird on Friday. So, how are things going in Romania? What's famous about Romania? We closed our buys here and now it's going up. Fortunate, but we'll still wait for any sell confirmation. If we get any, then we can sell. So 10-minute close is not bearish, like it closed above it. It might still go up even more. So 10-minute close has happened. So now we can buy silver again. Let me see. Just right here. Yes. And for now, I will keep the stop loss tight somewhere here. Okay. I will keep TP somewhere here. Okay. I'm going to take a bath and go to mosque for Friday prayer. So this is the trade now. We closed it here, but still it's a good entry now. Okay. We will stick with a smaller target for now, and then we will see. You can go with a bigger size if you want, because it's not that bigger of stop loss. I think it's quite tight, so you can stick to it. If it comes down, let me see some other time frame. If it comes down to this fair value gap, you can add. Okay, you can buy a little more somewhere here. If it comes down here, then you can buy even more at this area. Gold will also go up, like they're correlated pairs. So if silver is going up, gold will also go up. So the stop loss for silver seems a bit tighter, so that's why I entered here. You can also enter gold. If you are in your long already, then you can stick to your long. Okay, you don't need to close it now. I bought it here because you can see the stop loss is a bit tighter. It is giving me a tighter stop loss than gold. So if it comes down to this fair value gap, this 3-minute fair value gap, this will be a much better trade. Then it might go up straight, but if it goes down to this area, then you can buy again or add to your trade. Okay, so we will see if it retests this area, and then we can buy even more, or it might just go straight up towards the London highs. The Asian session highs are here. Okay, after it, these are the Asian highs, so it can even go up straight to the Asian highs, but we will stick to some smaller profits here for now. Or what you can do is you can close like 50 or 60% and then move stop loss a bit up, like towards this area, not towards the entry point, and I leave the rest of it running. But let's see how it goes. So our invalidation point is this, okay? Like it should not go below this. As long as it's above, it's valid, so we can add to our trade if it comes down to this point. These are correlated pairs, like you would see gold also moving up, but the stop loss was tighter, like there was an SMT divergence. Let me show you. You can see this low was swept on silver, you can see, and the same low is here on gold. It's not swept. Okay, you can see this low is not swept, so we got an SMT divergence, and then we got this break to the upside, so that's why I bought it here. Even if you are not trading with me, guys, you should learn how I trade, how I execute my trades. So I might do some wrong executions in live streams, like it's difficult to trade on live stream, but you can still learn some few things. Welcome to the stream, back 33. I think you just joined the live stream, so gold has to go up to. If anyone is new to the stream, make sure to like the stream and help promote the stream so new viewers, new traders can join us. Yesterday's stream was better than the day before yesterday, so this stream should be better than yesterday. Let's see if we get more views than yesterday today. Let me know if you bought silver with me. In some of the brokers, the spreads of silver is completely fine, but in some prop firms or in some brokers, it's a little bad. So the broker I'm trading, Exness, it has zero spreads, so I trade silver too. You can see if silver goes up, gold also goes up. Okay, these are correlated pairs. So if I'm buying silver, or if I'm buying gold, it means the other pair will also go up. It's just about the stop loss, like where you feel easier, where you find it easy to trade. So if you are in your live account, make sure to take some partial profit. So in case if it goes down here, you can buy again. Okay, so you can close like 20 to 30% here. That's what I do on my live accounts. Okay, so you can always take some profits, and then there's an untested 3-minute fair value gap. I don't know if it will get tested, but in case it does, we can buy. But if it goes up towards this area first, then we should not be buying on the retest. So far, our average viewers are 5 to 6. Let's see if we can improve that. They will only get better viewers will increase if we trade profitably in live stream. Only then people will join us. Okay, so I will just turn off my mic for a while. I'm going to take a bath, and then I need to go to mosque. So I will just turn off my mic for now. And let me know in the chat if you have any questions, so I will read that later. Okay, so I was away from the screen and seemed like got close to a stop loss. And let's see what gold is doing here. Okay, guys, I have to go out and I will close the live stream here. So, good luck today. I hope it goes into profit. You can close some of it and leave the rest of it running. And I will see if I can come live in the New York zone. So, good luck, guys.